Hello and welcome to this video about user-defined functions written in Python via Anaconda Code. First of all, let's take a look at this ticker symbol here. This is the symbol for Apple Inc. And we can return historical stock prices from the internet using this stock history function, which is built into Excel. So let's take it from the 1st of January 2023 to yesterday, and we will have daily values with no header. We'll return the date and we'll return the close price. So that's what we get when we use that formula. We want to do some analysis. What can we do? We can write a bunch of formulas. We can write some Python code and we can send it to people and thoroughly confuse them. But as of today, we can write user-defined functions with Python. I've opened the Anaconda toolbox. I'm going to go into code snippets. In my code snippets financial analysis functions, I have this portfolio analysis code snippet, and you can see that it is a rather long and somewhat complicated Python function. What I'm actually going to show you how to do now is to convert this into a user-defined function that can be wrapped around this stock history Excel function. So first of all, I'm going to copy the contents of the code snippet and then go to the Formulas tab of the ribbon. Open Anaconda Code, make that a bit wider. The first thing to do is load the environment. This is initializing the PyScript environment that lets us run Python code locally within the add-in. Once that's loaded, I'm going to go to Imports and Definitions. Imports and Definitions is where we import the libraries we're going to use, and we can define functions that can be usable anywhere in the workbook. So I'm going to paste that function into the imports and definitions script. Now, in order to use this as a user-defined function, I need to decorate it with this UDF decorator. I can just leave it at that, but I can also use the name argument to give it a name that I want it to have. I'm going to call it anaconda.portfolio analysis. And if I do that, I want to set nested equals false. And then I can run this, and that will register this Python function as a function that can be used in Excel. Let's see how it works. So I can type equals Anaconda, and you can see there anaconda.portfolio analysis is available as a function. And I can just select the data, press enter, and you can see that it has given me the results of the Python function directly in the grid without having to create Python cells, just using a normal Excel function. Thank you so much for watching this video about user-defined functions via Anaconda Code.